topic, okay, the time it is rest, it is or it was time, okay, then we have to use the preposition for, then object, then to be, then V3 form. It's a different passive voice, okay. Let's for an example, it is time to send the email. Okay, fine. It is time to send the mail. Okay, we have write like this. We should write the send mail. So how to change it? Is it active or passive? Is it active? Okay, because it's very easy. It's time to send the mail. Here also there is an infinitive. So with this formula, you can change into passive voice. How to change? It is time. Okay, it's time. After that we have to use the for. Okay, it's time for what next? It is time for what is the object here? The mail. It's a time for the objects to be. The next one, what to do here? To be from the we have to add be. Then what's the main verb here? It is the infinitive. Infinitive verb. We should convert into passive voice. It means to be sent. Shall I explain one more time here? Dear student, this is a formula for passive voice. This is the active voice sentence. It's time to send a mail. You can consider it. This is the subject. This is a verb. Okay, the time. Then to send the mail. So when we change into passive voice, we should write it's time. Then we should add the for. Then what kind of the object here? The object is the mail is an object. Okay, mail is an object. This is infinitive. So after the preposition for, we should write with object. Okay. Sorry. The object means the mail. Okay. It is the time for the mail to be sent. Okay. Do you understand? It is the time for the mail to be sent. This is the passive form. B form plus V3. One more example. It is time to shut the doors. It is the time. It is time. Okay. It's time to shut the doors. Okay, it's time. So when you see like this sentence, when we change into passive voice, it's time. After that we have to use the for, then object. What is the object here? This is infinitive. The doors is an object. There is an object here. So it's time for what we have to use here? The doors. Doors. Okay. Dear student, understand? It's time for the doors. What time? To be shut. To shut. S-H-U-T. Okay. Do you understand? Are you very clear? Okay. This is a formula you should write and you should keep in your mind and copy immediately in your own. Okay. Now, passive voice in that class. Okay. In that class. Okay. Or that class can be used in passive voice. However, passive voice is sometimes or very often used to introduce at that class. I will let you some formula for you. When you change into passive voice, we should write each, then B form, then V3, then after that class. You should write the same what you see in the question paper. Say for example, we say that C is a teacher, the C is a teacher. Here listen. So this is that class. Okay. C is a teacher. We should not change anything from this that class. Here how to use the formula. Okay. Each we should write like this each. Then we say that she is a teacher. That means it is said that. It is said. Listen. It we should bring like this each. Then added the be formal as per the present or past tense. This is called a present tense. Isn't it? So we have to use that is be form as per the subject. The subject is singular, there is a singular each. As per the subject we have to use is, then say becomes said. Say and then be to form said, then we become said. Okay. So it is said that So after that we should write as usual. So it is said that she is a teacher. Okay. So in that classes, okay, passive voice is very easy. So shall I give one more examples? Okay. They believe they killed that. Say for example, they believe that he killed him. Okay, he killed him or her, whatever it is. Okay. See here, they believed. That means what right here? It is believed. You are fine. When you find the classes, you should write like this. It is said. Sorry, it is believed. Okay. So what verb you have say here? It is believed. It is believed. This is a passive form because before then V3, that is called the P form. It is believed. Then remaining sentence we have write in the class. Then he killed him. Okay. So one more time I would like to explain this one, the passive voice in that classes, or that class can be used in passive voice. Passive voice sometimes are often used in introduce in a that class. Okay. It is a when we change into passive from active, we should use this formula. It will help you to get 2 marks in that classes. It, then V former, then V3, then V3, then that. Okay, fine. So we say that she is a teacher. This is active voice. We convert into, we change into passive voice. It. Then after that, as per the subject, we should add is. It is say becomes said. This is a V3 form. So this is called a passive voice. It is said that she is a teacher. So after the classes, after that we should write everything. Okay. Yes. Do you understand, please? Yeah. Activation passive voice. It's very easy. Then all grammar. Yeah. Thank you. Dear students, continuously we are going to see the passive voice object complement. Or object complement can be used in passive voice. Okay, fine. Say for examples, active voice. We elected. We elected him as president. Okay. Okay. Okay, we elected him. Sorry, excuse me. We elected him again as a leader. We elected him president. Okay, here before we are going to learn this, we should learn the sentence pattern. We, who elected him president? We. And what did we do here? The verb. Okay, him is an object. Okay, so what did as what did we select him? President. As what gives the answer for complement. In the previous classes, and before we are going to learn the passive voice, we learned some active sentence pattern. You remember? Okay, him, the president denotes the verb, the object, that is called an object complement. Do you understand? Someone is a subject complement. She is a teacher. Okay, so she is the subject. Who is a teacher? Who gives the answer for subject? Is the verb. It's a complement here. So this complement refers to the subject. So this is called subject complement. This one refers to the object complement. Okay, we elected him president. Okay, and president denotes the object. So this is called object complement. So how to change it to passive voice? Okay, he was. Okay, because him becomes he as a subject. Okay, this is the past tense, simple past tense. So we should write was he was elected. He was elected president. Okay, that's all. President. Oh yes, when you use the agent or addition, what you get to the he was elected president because this is a passive voice. B4 plus B3, that's called passive voice. Are you very clear, my dears? Okay, we elected him president. Okay, this is a subject, this one is the verb, him is an object, and president is a complement. Okay, thank you. And shall we meet the next classes in the active passive voice?